Hi guys, how are you? So I just wanted to show you how simple it is to use the Upwork Business Developer. So I'm in the agent. Right now I see these jobs on the left hand side. Let's see, I want to apply for this specific job. Or maybe this one, real prompt engineer for OpenAI. It just came in now as you saw. I write a proposal and focus on a few things. So it needed OpenAI and it needed a prompt engineer. And the most relevant portfolio item to that was this Farmazing Voice AI transcribes German audio. And I'm pretty sure that it chose Farmazing to mention in the proposal itself. So you see, I see you need a reliable prompt engineer and I'd love to help. I have engineered prompts before, especially for Farmazing AI. It involves transcribing German lectures using DeepGram and refining the text with OpenAI's ChatGPT 4.0. Working with both API and prompt design gave me a strong foundation to deliver what you are asking for. Here's my improved version of your prompt. You see? So the agent knows exactly the right project to mention in the type of the job that you're applying for. So that's the gist of all that is.